Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sarkari Job e-portal. Friends, are you also suffering from the problem that the Google has blocked your Google AdSense account due to the multiple and repeated clicks on your Google Ads? If yes, then watch this video. This video will be going to useful to you. So let's begin. I will show you all those things practically. Now first you need to go to your Google AdSense account. So for this, search Google AdSense login in the Google search box. Sorry friends, it mistakenly I have searched in the Google Scholar. Let me search in the Google search box. Google go to the Google search box and now here you can search Google AdSense login. Then here the top option is for the login of the Google AdSense. Now since I already have logged using my Google AdSense Gmail account, so friends, what you need to do is that you need to just use your that Gmail account from which the Google AdSense account is linked. So I use that Google Gmail account and I just put the login ID and the password and logged in then into my Google AdSense account. So as you can see friends, here on the top it is mentioned that your account is temporarily suspended. As a result of this suspension, ad serving is disabled. Please look into the reason for the suspension in the policy center. So first I will show you for how many periods the Google blocks your Google AdSense account. Friends, for this let us move to the ad section of the Google AdSense account. This is the ad section, and from after then just click on the top policy center. Now as you can see here friends, it is mentioned here that your account is suspended, and here it is the reason why my account is suspended. Here you can find whatever would be the reason for the suspension of your Google AdSense account. See, it is mentioned here that invalid activity, multi-clicking. Friends, what had happened with me that on the 30th of October midnight there was a huge traffic came to my domain site, and that traffic was from the unknown sources. And what that traffic did, that traffic repeatedly clicks on my Google ads that was displayed on my site, and after then a signal went to the Google that Google thought that this multi-clicking was intentional and this was because of the owner of the site. But for this, what Google did, Google blocked my Google AdSense account for, see, the blocking date was 30th October 2020 and the traffic that came was on the same date at the midnight, and the suspension started from the 30th October 2020 till 29th November 2020. So this is a period of completely 1 month. Friends, what happens that, as you can see, as a result of violation of your account has been temporarily suspended until 29th November 2020, and during this suspension no ads are shown, your payment are on hold, and your latest revenue may be deducted from your account and refunded to the advertisers. So what happens friends, whenever there is such kind of issue, whatever the earning you had earlier before the block of your account, all those money there that gets returned back to the advertisers. So at the end you get nothing, whether you have earned a million of dollars, then also you can do nothing in such cases. So what happens, friend? This was the when first time this type of thing happens, then Google suspends this for the temporarily for the 1 month. As you can see here is mentioned, your account is temporarily suspended for this period, that is for the 1 month. And if this happens in future, see what you can do. If this happens in future, like if here it is mentioned, if additional policy violation are found either during the suspension period or after your account suspension ends, means if even during since it has suspended for this period, if I am doing something wrong within this period also, or if the suspension period ends, then after again this type of multi-clicking activity takes place from our competitors, then again then at that time it is mentioned here that your account may be permanently disabled. Means Google will, if this happens again in the next time, then Google will block my Google AdSense account permanently. And here it is mentioned we have to outline the most common reason why publisher accounts are suspended for invalid traffic in help center. So what you can do is that whatever traffic came to your comes to your site from the unknown sources, just monitor your traffic and find the source of the invalid traffic and try to make sure that it stops happening again. And for this what you can do is that here it is mentioned, Google recommends you to segment your traffic to help you evaluate the quality of your site traffic and identify possible sources of the invalid traffic. For this what you can do is that you can learn this article of the Google that segment your traffic. But before going to that section, I am going to discuss what you can do in such things. Friends, first thing what you can do is that if your account is suspended for temporarily for the first time, then you have one option that you need to just wait for this period of time. When suspension period ends, then again Google will serve ads on your site. And for second thing what you can do is that to check measures to stop such things happening in the future, you just find the sources of invalid traffic and just you just go through this article, segment your traffic. See, this is the article of the Google that helps you to segment your traffic so that you can find from which sources, like some of the traffic will be coming from the Google organic, some other traffic will be coming from the direct Google search, some other traffic would be coming from the social media like Facebook, LinkedIn or Telegram channel or others like YouTube. So you need to just segment your traffic for better understanding of your traffic sources and the users. Just you will be able to see and understand which traffic sources are driving the best at performance of your traffic, and using this data you can determine how users are reaching your site and whether you can optimize your traffic sources. Now, how you can prevent against invalid traffic? For this, what you need to do is that you need to be proactive and you need to be proactively monitor how your traffic sources are performing. Like if some traffic sources are coming on your site, whether they are reading your articles or they are just intensely targeting and repeatedly clicking your ads. If this type of thing they are doing, it means that it is done by some competitors that do not want you to get success in very less time. So for this what you can do is that you need to just monitor whatever activity they are doing, and after then if you are finding that they are intentionally trying to just clicking on your ads, then what you need to do is that you just go to the search on Google clicky.com, and friends, this is a site. What you can do is, as you can see here is a register option. You just need to click on this, and as you can see what here is mentioned, you put here real name, not the name that you are using on your website or any other place. You just your real name, then your email address. Email address could be the one that you are using for your site, and then your username, anything. This is just like a Gmail account. You are generating a account on a clicky.com, and set a password. Then after this you will submit this. Then whatever happens, that login ID and password will be generated for this clicky.com, and after then what you can do is that you just there will be a box where you need to enter your site domain name and again your email address, and after then submission of that you will be able to monitor the traffic sources of your site and the activity that the users of your site are doing, like whether they are going through your site and reading the articles, or they are just intentionally clicking the ads repeatedly, or they are doing something else. If you found, friends, that they are repeatedly clicking the ads, then what you can do is that from since, friends, I have not registered here, so I am not able to show you for the clicky.com, but whatever you can do on the clicky.com, I am telling you all those activities step by step, and so just follow my instructions. Just first register on this clicky.com by filling these details, and after then friends, you just what you can do is that you just submit your site domain name to the clicky.com there, and your email address, and then starts monitoring your real-time traffic. This will only monitor your real-time traffic, friends. So in the mean real time, whatever activity that from where the traffic is coming, like from the Google organic or direct search, or from the other, and from which geographical regions they are coming, what activity they are doing, like they are going through your articles, or they are clicking intentionally multiple clicks on your Google ads. If you found such kind of traffic that is clicking intentionally multiple times your ads, then what you can do is that you can take the IP address from this clicky.com while monitoring, and then go to your Google AdSense account. See, this is the Google AdSense account, and then go to the Google Ads section, friends. Then go to the ad unit section, and as you can see, these are the ads that I am having. And after taking your IP address, say IP address like something, if 12 dash this, if suppose this is the IP address of the invalid users, then what you can do is you just copy this IP address from the clicky.com and just go to the ads unit section of your Google AdSense account, and as you can see, this is the edit option. So you need to just go to each and every ad, friend, not only single but each and every ad, friend. And what you can do is that you just need to, as you can see, this is the save option. So this is the Google AdSense account. And also friends, you need to go to the, you need to just check whatever ads you are displaying on your website. For this you need to come to the Google AdSense ad unit, and you just see whatever the name of the ad units that those ads that are displaying on your site. After then what you need to do is that just you the copied IP address, you need to log in into your site, and just then go to the ad inserter section, and from each ad unit you just put their the IP address there, and that will be then save that. After saving that, what will happen, that the Google will starts eliminating your those IP addresses from the clicks. So that friends, if those users that are doing multiple repeatedly intentionally clicks on your ads, those will be excluded from the Google results. So by this your Google AdSense account will be prevented from blocking by the competitors. So friends, you as I mentioned, you need not only to save those IP addresses in only one ad, but in all the ads that you are displaying on your site. So please do remember this important point. So friends, we will meet you again in the next video. Then see you. Okay, bye bye friends.